In this video, I will show you how to connect Metamask to Bullx. To get started, go ahead and open Bullx on your browser. If you don't have a Bullx account yet, then you can go ahead and check out the invite link in the description box and hit on that to be able to skip the waitlist on Bullx and create an account immediately. Once you're signed in into your account, head over to the wallet manager. And here, go ahead and download your private keys by hitting on that download button. Click on that download private key button, and once your private key is downloaded on your device, you can go ahead and head over into Metamask and import your private keys from Bullx to your Metamask wallet. So you need to download your private key, and take note that you only have one chance to do that. If you're a new user, once you sign in into your Bullx account, you immediately get redirected into that section. But if you're an old user and you have forgotten your private key, then you can simply create a new wallet in this wallet manager section and download the private key of that wallet and use that to be able to connect your MetaMask account into your Bullx account. And that is basically how you can do that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.